Okay. So obviously the principle is that in order to put him in a situation where he's a little bit vulnerable, I'm going to get him off balance for a split second. That's what the pulling hand is. Right? So keep the feet coming across. And I'll just take him down. Or instead of going this way, I could come all the way through. If I come all the way through, I'm going to go like this. The arm comes around. Cool. And then I have an arm bar, which is just like the counter. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And then the other part is I go that way. If I push them sideways, I got that. Then I've got a naked shot, which again is part of the counter. Does that make sense?
Okay.
So we're going to do that one, but carefully. So what I need to do is, I'm not going to get behind him if he's facing me. And I'm not going to get this hand around him. So I need to have him sideways slightly, so that it's not quite obvious what I'm doing. So I hit him sideways, and I can either come this side, doesn't matter which one. I've got to take this, because I've got to bend him over a bit, and then I lock it in. Please don't drag your partner down, because it's really dangerous. I just lock it in and let go. You guys want to do that? So watch this one more time. So I did the strike, I did the hit, I've got was going sideways and that arm going that way. So you can just push, they drop into it. Try it?